to Room 1, Assembly at Sixth Form, Article of the Week, Art 20 and 2 from Key Stage 5.
On 3rd of December, we celebrate International Day of People with Disabilities. These global events promote equality for people with disability and celebrates their achievements. It has been celebrated every year since 1981. It is also a day to promote awareness of the challenges faced by over 1 billion people living with disabilities, and the role communities and societies play in breaking down barriers to inclusion. Article 2 states the Convention applies to every child without discrimination, whatever their ethnicity, gender, religion, language, abilities, or any other status, whatever they think or say, whatever their family background. Article 23 states a child with a disability has the right to live a full and decent life with dignity and, as far as possible, independence, and to play an active part in the community. Governments must do all they can to support disabled children and their families.
Exploring International Day of People with Disabilities. Why do you think the world has a Why do you think the world has a special day to focus on people with disabilities? Think of as many reasons as you can.
For an International Day of People with Disabilities, we should welcome all people and celebrate differences. There are millions of people with disabilities. They should feel part of society. Some people want help to be more supportive of people with disabilities. Not every disability can be seen. We need to be more aware of different types of disabilities. Some people still treat people with disabilities badly. Some governments do not properly support people who are disabled. Sometimes people are prejudiced about disabilities and may say or do hurtful things. People who are disabled have all rights that everyone else has. Everyone needs to learn more and understand what it's like to live with different disabilities. Celebrating and including people with disabilities will make the world a better place. Do you think of any other reasons?
Children have the right to live a full and decent life with dignity. Do you know what dignity is? Look up some definitions on dignity, then discuss how your school supports the dignity of all members of the community. Write a poem to celebrate the importance of being treated with dignity. You do not need to complete every activity, but if you have time, you can try to complete more than one. UNICEF's global work is to support children and young people living with a disability. Find out more here and use some of the information as part of your awareness raising on the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. I have a dream. Please don't influence it. It belongs to me. I have a delicate heart. Please don't break it. It belongs to me. I have peace of mind. Please don't disturb it. It belongs to me. I have to follow a path. Please don't obstruct it. It belongs to me. I have an amazing life. Please let me live it. It belongs to me. I have a choice. Please don't choose for me. It belongs to me. I have freedom, please don't capture me. It belongs to me. I have incredible feelings, please don't hurt me. They belong to me. I have a lot of love, please don't hate me. Love is mine to share. I'm on my material journey. Don't follow me. It wouldn't be fair. So, I have a dream. It's my dream to be free.
Thank you for listening to our assembly.